Well, hello, it's Bears back. I got a lock I'm going to try for Stock Lock Sunday. It's one of the first ones I got. And it's this one. This is the one I showed in that video. Anyway, let's go ahead and try to get in this thing today. Wow, you know, that almost looks like a reverse master keyway. Let me see. I got a master up here. I'm gonna turn it. Almost looks like the reverse. Maybe a little off from the reverse, but it's pretty close. So that's going to be a little different. 40,000. I wonder if I can get a 50 in there. Let's find out. Yeah, we can get a 50 in. Okay, so we get the heavy tension bar in. I'll tell you what, it's not comfy. You don't want them to be comfy if you don't want people picking them. So, okay, here we go. I'm going to try this first. Homemade job. Find the pins. Okay, let's see. Find us a binder, maybe. Okay, I think I got a little bind there. Maybe not. I might have overset that, I don't know. I'll bet you I've got a high pin somewhere and I'm just not getting up to it. I'll bet that's what it is. Man, it was uncomfortable. Finally, I got it, man. And it wasn't what I expected. It was weird. I mean, really weird. That is a different kind of pick, guys. I mean, it really is. Whew. And I was oversetting and had to get it back down, and oversetting and all that. Man, it was rough. Let's see if this one fits. Too big. Shoot, it took forever. I have to speed up some of that picking time, I guess. Jeez. Usually doesn't take me that long to crack them, but wow. You got to get used to these type pins. They are unique in a way. Now let's not take all day doing this part. Yeah. I had a better tension or Allen wrench here that's probably come apart a lot faster. And it's not done yet. Long-winded booger. Okay, long-winded booger. Thank you. Oh yeah, it's got all the good goopies in it. Shoosh. Let's tray. Sorry guys. Sorry it's taking so long. It is a stock lock. I do have the key, so we are going to lock it back. Matter of fact, let's look at the key anyway. So, there it is. Okay, this one wasn't the one that was getting me. It was right there. That's a nasty little booger. That's a great job. Where are you, my little? Somebody asked me about, I think this clip pusher here, and I got this off of Amazon, and it just says E-ring on it. It's, I don't know, I don't know the brand or nothing. So if you look on Amazon, you might find it. So yeah. Key. That's the key. That's the turn. Let's slide one of these in so I don't foul it up too much. Running this in. There we go. That out. There they are. And there. Ooh, nice. Sweet. You've all seen inside these. We're just gonna, it's a stock. Uh-oh. Well, I got the key so I can figure out which one goes where. But oh, doing good. I actually got that one in a trough. Okay. And solid core. We all know let's do this the quick way because I spent so much time doing the other. Okay. 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 Come on, 5. 5. Thank you. Mr. 6. Thank you. All right. So I'm gonna okay, there's a couple springs up in there somewhere. And okay. Well, I'm not gonna chase these springs all day. Anyway, here's that last one. Anyway, here you go, guys. For Stocklock Sunday, we got a spool, a serrated spool, standard, and your pins, and those look like a couple serrations right there. And I don't see anything here on this one, but I see a couple serrations on that one. So yeah, that's the Paclock 200A for Stocklock Sunday. Sorry I took so long, guys. It was a different kind of feeling pick than a Master or American, I'll tell you that. It's a little harder, I would say. So yeah, well, thanks for watching, everybody. Stay legal and have fun. Bye.